Hello everyone. Today in this session, I welcome all class 11 students in this session. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 2, Biological Classification. Let us discuss first contributions of some biologists in the classification of plants and animals, including microbes. A number of scientists tried to give the framework of classification. First, Aristotle, 384 to 322 BC, he made the first attempt to give scientific basis of classification. He classified plants into herb, shrubs, and trees, and divided animals into two groups. One which has red blood cells and those that did not. Then come the father of taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus, 1758. He has given two kingdom classification. In two kingdom classification, he included all plants in the kingdom Plantae on the basis that these organisms, they were fixed in a place, had spread out appearance, prepared their own food, and had cellulose walls. It included all green plants, mosses, fungi, lichens, and bacteria. Second kingdom, the kingdom Animalia, he included all animal-like organisms on the basis of their compact body, heterotrophic nutrition, lack of rigid cell wall, and he included all multicellular forms and unicellular organisms called protozoa. Then there was a major dispute in placements of some groups in two kingdom classification. First is, many single-celled animal-like organism, Euglena, have features of both plants and animals. He included unicellular organisms like slime molds, which lacks cell wall in the vegetative stage but develop it in the reproductive stage in the kingdom Plantae. Fungi also included in kingdom Plantae that grows on dead organic matter, live by decomposing and absorbing organic matter rather than photosynthesis. They lack chlorophyll also. They are the non-green plants. Lichens are living organism. They are seen growing on rock, on a bark of tree, and they have the symbiotic association of fungus and algae. So they are the symbiotic organisms. They cannot be separated because fungus provides mineral nutrition and algae provides nutrition to the heterotrophic fungi. Bacteria also included in kingdom Plantae and could not be classified as plants or animals because the Anton von Leeuwenhoek, he studied bacteria under his self-made microscope and he explained it as an plant. Some scientists are having in view that bacteria are the animals because they possess flagella also. Certain demerits of two kingdom classification also, because prokaryotes organism like bacteria and cyanobacteria and eukaryotic organisms have been put together. The non-photosynthetic fungi having chitin as a cell wall, they are also kept in Plantae. The classification did not differentiate between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Unicellular and multicellular organisms were also put together in one group. So, after some times, certain other scientists, they felt that the two kingdom classification not included cell structure complexity, nature of cell wall, mode of nutrition, evolutionary relationships, methods of reproductions. So, hence, later on, Ernest Haeckel, 1884, he added the third kingdom, Protista. Then, in 1969, Robert Whittaker, he added the fourth kingdom, Monera, for bacteria, and fifth kingdom, fungi, for non-green plants. Later, in 1977, Carl Woese divided the kingdom Monera into Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Finally, five kingdom classification given by R.H. Whittaker was approved, and the basis of five kingdom classification is complexity of cell structure, prokaryotic or eukaryotic cells, complexities of organism's body, unicellular or multicellular, and mode of obtaining nutrition, autotrophic or heterotrophic criteria is considered, and he has divided this kingdom into five kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, they include all unicellular prokaryotes. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotes. Kingdom Fungi, unicellular or multicellular eukaryotic without chlorophyll, heterotrophic, mainly they are saprophytic in nature. Kingdom Plantae, multicellular eukaryotic containing chlorophyll, autotrophic, cells with cell wall containing cellulose. Then Kingdom Animalia, multicellular eukaryotic, heterotrophic nutrition, cells without cell wall and chlorophyll are considered. He also included major ecological role in five kingdom classification, like all autotrophic green plants are producers, heterotrophs, fungi are the decomposers, and heterotrophs, animals, are the consumers. Later on, the kingdom Monera is further divided into Archaebacteria, that is ancient bacteria, and Eubacteria, that is true bacteria. So, thank you for this session.